name is Irina Verwer and I lead yoga retreats here at Oneworld Retreats. And for now I would love to lead you into a short grounding practice that will help you to feel a little bit more stable and relaxed. So let's come to a seated position, any way that feels comfortable to you. That could be either cross-legged or sitting on your heels or in any different way. And then place your hands wherever they're comfortable and just close your eyes. Become aware of the way you are seated. Notice your body. Notice the way your body feels in this moment. Become aware of your breath. Notice every inhalation and every exhalation. You don't need to change the rhythm or the direction of your breath. For now, just be aware of whatever is present in this moment. Allow your awareness to move to your hands. Exhale here. On the inhalation, your hands move out to the side and all the way up, overhead. You stretch, touch your palms. And exhale your hands in front of your heart. Inhale, your hands move forward and out to the side. Open your chest. And exhale your hands behind you on the floor. On an inhalation, create length in your spine. Lift your chest, roll your shoulders towards each other. Lift your chin if that feels okay for your neck. And then exhale, fold all the way down. Allow your hands to move forward too. Inhale your hands towards your body. And then all the way up, overhead. Stretch, touch your palms. Exhale your hands in front of your heart. Inhale, your hands move forward and out to the side. Open your heart, lift your chin if that feels okay. And exhale your hands behind you on the floor. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, fold all the way down. Hands come forward too. Inhale your hands towards your body. All the way up, overhead. Stretch. Touch your palms. Exhale your hands in front of your heart. On an inhalation, your hands move forward, out to the side. Open your heart. And exhale your hands behind you on the floor. Inhale, create length at the whole front side of the body. And exhale, fold all the way down. Hands come forward. Inhale your hands towards your body, all the way up, overhead, stretch, and then exhale your hands out to the side and down. Placing your hands on your knees, closing your eyes. Notice the way you're sitting, notice the way you feel. Feel your breath. Exhale here. And on an inhalation, slowly open your eyes. Bring your hands out in front of you. Lift your hips and come to hands and knees. With your knees hips distance and your hands shoulders width apart or a little wider. Especially if you have shoulder issues, place your hands a little wider than shoulders width apart. Fingers are spread nice and wide and you press the root of the index finger all the way down. On an inhalation, you curve your spine and you look up. And on an exhalation, you round, chin to your chest. We'll do this a few times. Do this in your own rhythm. Really synchronize your breath with your movement. So every inhalation you curve, and every exhalation you round. We'll do this one more time. On an inhalation, you curve your spine, you look up. And then exhale, come back to the center. Curl your toes under. Exhale here. And on an inhalation, you lift your knees. You shift your hips towards the back. And then you lower your heels in the direction of the floor for downward facing dog of Adho Mukha Svanasana. So when you're here, you're still pressing your hands very firmly on the floor. Heels move towards the floor. Your legs can straighten, but you don't have to straighten all the way. It's more important to create length in your spine. Inhale here. And on the exhalation, walk your feet towards your hands. And when you're all the way at the front of your mat, place your feet hips distance, toes are pointing straight forward. On an inhalation, create a little bit more length in your spine. And then exhale, fold a little bit deeper. Inhale your hands out to the side and all the way up, overhead. Stretch, touch your palms. Exhale your hands in front of your heart. Inhale your hands out to the side and all the way up, overhead. Stretch and touch your palms, look at your thumbs. Exhale, lower all the way down. Bend your knees, especially if you have lower back issues. Inhale, create some length in your spine. And exhale, fold a little bit deeper. Step your left foot back. Activate your legs. Step your right foot back, so you're in downward facing dog again. Inhale here. And on the exhalation, lower your knees, chest, and chin to the floor. So your chest lands somewhere in between your hands. Then place your belly on the floor, place your feet flat on the floor, activate your legs so your knees are not on the floor anymore. And inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, lower down, curl your toes under, press yourself up to hands and knees, move into downward facing dog, and step your left foot in between your hands. Legs are super active here. Right foot in between your hands. Inhale, create some length in your spine. And then exhale, fold just a little bit deeper. Inhale your hands out to the side, all the way up. Hands overhead, touch your palms. Exhale, hands in front of your heart. Close your eyes. Let go of your hands and just take a moment to breathe here. Feel your feet firmly on the floor. Feel your breath. Feel your body. And then exhale here. And on an inhalation, slowly open your eyes. Interlace your fingers. Allow your hands to move in the direction of the floor, so your palms are facing the floor. Inhale, your hands come all the way up, overhead. And exhale, lower your shoulders. Inhale, create length and bend to the right. And exhale, back to the center. Inhale, lengthen and bend to the left. Exhale, back to the center. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, let go of your fingers, hands out to the side and down. All right, from here, inhale your hands out to the side and all the way up, overhead. Stretch and touch your palms. And exhale, fold all the way down. Hands on either side of your feet. From here, walk your feet out just a little bit until they're about just a little wider than hips distance, about the width of your mat. Bend your knees, toes are pointing slightly out, and come to a squatted position with your elbows in between your knees and your palms in front of your heart. And just breathe here. You can close your eyes if you wish. Focus on your breath. Feel how your breath moves towards your lower belly, and from there towards your groins and your pelvic floor, your hips, lower back. especially on days when you feel a little bit stressed, this is a pose that helps you to relax and to ground. Inhale one more time. On an exhalation, allow your hands to come forward and just sit down on the floor. Place your legs out in front of you. Shake your legs. And then come to a comfortable seated position in whatever way works for you, with your hands either on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes. Feel your body. Feel your breath. Just notice the way you are sitting now at this moment. Notice any change that occurred. Feel your breath. Allow your attention to move to your heart. And from your heart, allow an intention for this day to come up. Hold that intention in your heart. And then bring your palms together in front of your heart. Lower your chin to your chest. And slowly, when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.